What's going on, Rotters? Welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time stumbling across the Scare Rotter Collective channel on YouTube, I welcome you to the channel. Please consider subscribing as it's 100% free to do so. And also consider liking and commenting on the video as it will help push the video into the YouTube algorithm to be able to be seen by more people. So we are going to be unboxing Dracula's Dragster. I figured with Halloween being right around the corner, it is a good time to go ahead and get into this build. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing.
I am Dracula.
Oh, it's really good to see you. I don't know what happened to the driver and my luggage and with all this, I thought I was in the wrong place.
I bid you welcome.
So in front of us, we have the reissue of the classic Dracula's Dragster model kit from the 1960s, which was originally produced by Aurora Plastics Corporation. Polar Lights produced a new version of the model using the original Aurora molds in 1999. So that's what we have here. So Aurora Models was really good at the time at jumping on and producing a lot of these really cool movie monster kits of the classic movie monsters that we know today, and still be able to drive them into pop culture and things like that. So this is based on Dracula, and here you got a cartoon version of Dracula. And Dracula was a film that came out in 1931, and the character of Dracula was played by an actor named Bela Lugosi. So a lot of these old classic movie monsters are still being produced today by companies like Atlantis. They're doing a really good job about reproducing the classic movie monsters. So this model kit is open on the outside as it don't have any plastic wrap on it, but it's still sealed on the inside. Here we have the instructions. And again, has the illustration, Dracula's Dragster, Polar Lights, model kit number 5026. So if we open it up here, it shows you the instructions for assembly, breaks down all the parts, shows you what to glue together, how to paint stuff. There's your finished model there. So it doesn't look like there's really much to it. So we're going to go ahead and start cutting open some of these bags of parts and using our instructions to decipher what some of them are. Even though some of these are going to be pretty easy to guess. So on this sprue, we have steering wheel with a hand, another hand. So half a hand and more like a full arm. This little piece here, which it looks like it is the steering column. So it looks like the arms are going to be two-piece. If I can get it into the camera right. I don't even know what I'm showing you. There we go. So we got the steering column and the wheel. And then on this one, looks like we have some axles, a short one and a long one. So the short one is going to be for the front and the long one's going to be for the rear. We have some handles for the side of the coffin. We have the stake that goes into the glass there. And we have the windshield frame. Then in this bag, I don't really have to cut it open. But let's go ahead and do it, since this is going to be a full unboxing. That way you guys can see everything. We have the cape, which we see here, as well as right there on the instructions. Looks like it's two pieces with the main cape and then the collar. Then we also have his cap. Now I know these hats have a name for them, but I'm not sure what that is. It looks like in this bag we have the bat hood ornament and some more arms. So there's more pieces to the arms there, and the bat hood ornament, which has some really good detail there. I don't know if that's gonna come into focus, but it does have really good details. And this is the coffin car. Looks like it's two pieces, got a top and then the bottom. So there's the bottom. This stamped Polar Lights, 1999, plain mantis. So it says Dracula is a trademark and copyright of Universal Studios. And here's the top with the seat back. So this is the casket car lid. This is the casket car body. Then on this set of trees, we have the drapes and the bumpers. On the instructions, it says fanged bumpers. So casket decorations and fanged bumpers, as well as candles. So these are going to be the headlights and taillights. Then we got the clear pieces to the cup.
This is very old wine. I hope you will like it.
Aren't you drinking?
I never drink. Why?
Well,
that's all on there. Got dripping blood, bloody heart, cocktail glass, glass base, and the stake was on the other plastic tree. So this is all clear. Go ahead and get into the body, and it looks like got the flames with the exhaust. So it got his lower half with legs and the collar, and this is the flame exhaust. So lower half with legs, and the flame throwers is what they're calling it. So cement the flamethrowers together. It's 2 pieces. Now, when I first opened this, I was really impressed by the head sculpt on it. So I did save that for last. Now, if you look on the illustration, it doesn't look that impressive. I mean, it's a good illustration, but this head sculpt on the model mold is actually really impressive to me. It looks really, really close, like Bela Lugosi. So I'm really impressed. I think the sculpting on this model is really good. And then there's his upper half of his body. Got the amulet, and there's his back.
And Helsing. Now that you have learned what you have learned, it would be well for you to return to your own country.
I prefer to remain and protect those whom you would destroy.
Parts tree we have is the tire and rims. It is just a one-piece tire and rim with a hollow back. So the instructions show that. It's just a hollow one-piece tire. Give you some ideas for what to paint things. Yellow and white, light green. But I really like these spiderweb rims. Then we got the bone knockoffs. So we've seen bone knockoffs before on the Satan's Crate Weirdo model that we did a while back. And then we got some letters on the tire. So Brimstone is the name of the tire. And that's actually a funny jab at the original author of the Dracula novel, Bram Stoker, which he's most famous for, the Gothic classic Dracula novel. So there's been many movies done based on the Bram Stoker Dracula over the years. So that's really funny that they added that. Brimstone tires. So there we have it, the unboxing of Dracula's Dragster. I'm really looking forward to building this one. Like I mentioned at the start of the video, if you haven't yet subscribed and you like this kind of content, go ahead and do so. It's not going to cost you anything. It's 100% free per YouTube. And consider leaving a like and a comment, as it will push the video into the YouTube algorithm. And what that means is it will just let the components behind the scenes of YouTube know that people are enjoying the video and like it, and therefore it will show the video to more people so more people can enjoy it. So Thank you guys for watching. That's all I have for you on this one. And I'll be back with updates soon. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.